Good afternoon to all viewers who have joined us on this live webinar on the domicile law and its implication on the indigenous people of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Along with esteemed panels, we are joined by faculty and scholars of law from Azad Kashmir University and other activists. This webinar is being organized in connection with the 44th session of Human Rights Council by Kashmir Institute of International Relations and World Muslim Congress. Due to pandemic and travel restrictions, it was not possible to hold this seminar in person. That's why we resorted to this online platform. Ladies and gentlemen, history of Kashmir is marked with the heroic struggle of people of Kashmir for their political rights, social rights and economic rights in past, and for the realization of right to self-determination for last 7 decades. There are many dark phases in the history. Without going to the details, I will go to August 5th, 2019, which marks yet another darkest day in the history of Kashmir. The government of India unilaterally stripped the special status of Indian occupied Kashmir, abrogated Article 370 and 35A through a presidential order, putting the entire population under severe clampdown and communication blockade. Dismembered the state into 2 union territories. From 1954 to 2019, 47 presidential orders on the state of Jammu and Kashmir have been passed, and these orders in effect enable Parliament of India to make laws for the state of Jammu and Kashmir on 94 out of 97 subjects. Despite all these erosions and modifications made to the Article 370, there were some laws which were not applicable to the state, and also state had some special laws not found in the books of Indian laws. It also had a symbolic and sentimental value for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. In furtherance of the Reorganization Act, the Government of India passed domicile law, which in effect gives residency rights and privileges to non-state subjects by showing their minimum stay or education in Kashmir. In a grand scheme of changing the demographic of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the domicile law gives a clean and easy residency rights to the members of Indian occupation forces and other officials and their children who have been brutalizing population of Kashmir from years together. Following the suit of Nazi Germany, the fascist Modi regime is hell-bent to strip the Kashmiris of their birthrights and flood with the population of Hindu fanatics. In today's discussion, we will try to understand how this law is going to impact the local population, their cultural, social fabric, job security, last but not least, their political rights. And we have a very esteemed panel. We are joined by Ambassador Zamir Akram, who is a career diplomat of highest repute, served as Pakistan's permanent representative to United Nations, Geneva, and other international agencies. He has written extensively on Pakistan foreign policy, disarmament, and Kashmir. One of the strong voices of Kashmir and Palestine. For his services to Palestine cause, he was awarded the highest award of Palestine. He also served as the chair of working group on development in United Nations. We have with us Mirza Sahib Beg, is a Kashmiri lawyer, a gold medalist, graduate, and former president of the Students' Union at Nalsar University of Law. He is currently in UK at the Belmilk School of Government, University of Oxford, as a Wenfield Hoffman Scholar studying public policy. Mirza has been involved in advocacy and awareness on Kashmir and has emerged as one of the foremost Kashmiri voices on law and governance. We will be shortly joined by Ms. Daniela Domis, is a French human rights activist. She has devoted her life for the cause of oppressed people. She has been working closely with Palestinian human rights groups and has the first-hand knowledge of what's actually happening in Gaza and West Bank. We will be also joined by the Andrew Gorman, is a Labour MP in British Parliament. He is chair of Labour Friends of Kashmir and strong voice of people of Kashmir in the British Parliament. I have with me Professor Mohammed Shukru Guzel, is president of Center for Peace and Reconciliation Studies. He has written 5 books and numerous academic articles, mainly working on decolonization and peace building. He was 3 times nominated for the Nobel Prize, a good friend of mind. We are also joined by Dr. Vikas Ali Kausar, is the head of has been working with the Kashmiri youth on both sides of line of control and produced several articles and reports on Kashmir situation, and is writer of the Youth Vision 2020. His work for empowerment of youth is widely acclaimed across the line of control. And also we will be joined by Hungarian TV and print media journalist Edric Bax. To start with, I'll start with Mirza Sahib Beg, as he is from the other side of Kashmir, and he has studied this law, and I have listened to him on many panels discussing this domicile law and its implications